For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Suraj Suresh. Well, on Thursday, the Union Health Minister Harshvardhan made a shocking statement saying that most of the media reports have gone ahead and shown that we have entered the community transmission, but he said that it is not true and that we have not entered community transmission. Let's first take a look as to what Union Health Minister Harshvardhan had to say.
एक्सपर्ट्स की तरफ से दोबारा से ये बताया गया कि भारत में आज तक कोई कम्युनिटी ट्रांसमिशन किसी भी प्रकार का नहीं हुआ है। कहीं थोड़े बहुत लोकलाइज्ड पॉकेट्स हो सकते हैं जहाँ की ट्रांसमिशन थोड़ा ज़्यादा होगा, लेकिन सारे देश में ऐसे देश हमारे यहाँ कोई कम्युनिटी ट्रांसमिशन नहीं हुआ है।
Well, there you heard it. Probably he wanted to say that there are few pockets or clusters where the transmission has taken place, or clusters where the cases have been reported. But what is community transmission? That is something which we will have to understand. Well, community transmission is nothing but when the number of cases are on the rise and the source will become localized. That is, the spread of the virus will be happening within the particular area, not because the person had a travel history or because he had come in contact with a COVID-19 patient. All of this said and done, all of you might already know what community transmission is, but there is a shocking report which has come to light from Chennai. This is the Institute of Mathematical Sciences. Well, they have done a study. So what does this study indicate? Well, it goes ahead and shows that the R number, or the reproduction number, which determines that a person who spreads the virus, how many people has it spread to, well, that number has increased at a record high from the time the first case was reported in the month of March. Well, this being said, what is an R number? R number is, it shows that how many people one person can spread the virus to. If you consider the entire population, how much is it spreading to? Well, the current R number is at 1.19, which was earlier in the month of March, it was at 1.83. It started declining, there was a decline in this particular number, but however, from the July month, that is from the time the unlocking began, unlock 2.0 began, the number started rising again.
R0 is called as a reproductive number. It simply denotes the number of people an infectious person can transfer the infection to. For example, if everybody in the population is susceptible without any vaccine, then introduction of new person with the infection into that community will result in others getting the infection. So how many of those susceptible people will get the infection from the infected person? That's what is or not.
Well, the experts have been saying that these numbers are usually calculated 10 days or 2 weeks prior. That is, it takes at least 10 days or 2 weeks for them to understand how many people one person has spread this particular virus to. So, let's just understand the entire chronological order. In the starting of the lockdown, that is in the month of March 24th, the number was at 1.83 and there was a slight reduction. The R number of 1.25 was seen between the month of June, that is 13th to 16th, and it had started reducing by June 21st as well. It had come down to around 1. And it is also shown that it was in Wuhan it was 2.14 and in Italy it was around 2.73, but India was on the safer side with 1.83 itself, and there was a increasing there was a decline of 1.49 and then 1.2 and then 1.18 and then it was below 1 as well, but again in the month of July it has increased. So what does this show? Our number usually goes ahead and shows kind of transmission which is taking place, and it has steady rise as well. So probably because the restrictions have been eased at this point in time, relaxations have been brought in and there's no strict lockdown in the country, probably the transmission rate has surpassed. Even the World Health Organization had said that once the transmission rate goes above 1, because the health officials always ensure that they keep the R number or the reproduction number below 1. And if it goes past 1, then that shows that the transmission rate is increasing, and in turn that probably this is hinting at community transmission. So yes, Dr. Harshvardhan goes ahead and says that we are not seeing community transmission, and probably the governments are not ready to accept this, but it is shown that the highest R number is seen in South India, especially.
The goal is to have less than 1 or not, at which we can say we have bent the curve. Anything between 1 to 1.5 is manageable. Between 1.5 and 2.5 will have severe disease proportion a little higher, and therefore the complications will have to be dealt with carefully. So most of the diseases that had higher mortality had higher or not. In India it's around 1.29 to 1.5 in this phase, depending on which state we are in. It is very important for each state to monitor or not and then get that down to less than 1. In addition to R naught, even
in Karnataka itself. So how much is it in Karnataka? It is 1.66, and then Telangana 1.65, and Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, beg your pardon, is at 1.32. Now previously the highest was in Gujarat at 1.15 and West Bengal at 1.1. So probably Karnataka, the ministers themselves have accepted that community transmission is taking place, with around 2,000 cases being reported almost every day over the past 1 week. So yes, at this point they need to again start understanding. They will have to revisit, understand the numbers, and then give out a statement whether or not we have entered community transmission. Well, these are few of the facts and figures that the Chennai Mathematical Institute has given, and probably this has raised questions about community transmission as well. What would you like to say? Do you consider that community transmission, we have actually entered community transmission in India because we are reporting over 22,000 cases every day? Or probably we'll have to stick with what the Union Health Minister has said, that probably we are still not entered community transmission and we have to be safe and sound and there's nothing to worry. What do you feel? Leave your comments in the comment section below and hit the bell icon to subscribe to News9 Digital on all the social media platforms, and do share this particular video if you have liked it. Many thanks for joining us. Until next time.